y'all. It's time for Appalachian Word of the Day. The word of the day is fornication. Man, I really like her dress tonight. It is perfect fornication like this.
I believe teenagers are God's revenge on mankind. I really do. I think one day the good Lord was looking down over his creation and said, let's see how they like it to create someone of their own image who denies their existence.
He's so tranquil. He looks just like he's sleeping.
Oh, he doesn't. There. Now he looks like he's sleeping.